What's up, Gallagher here. In a second we're gonna go check out my new house, but I want to do something a little different. Thank you guys first and foremost for checking out my video series on how to grow on YouTube and earn money on YouTube, become a YouTube partner, all that stuff. But this is what it's all about. This is my old house, guys. This is what life was like. I had to leave the water running, and you see that nasty stain here because otherwise the pipes will freeze. These old gnarly cupboards, this old nasty carpet, no dishwasher, this range, this old white tired range and refrigerator. And guys, here is the kitchen. Here is the dining room. The table's in the other room. I have to actually fix these chairs. And then doing some work here trying to get this place listed. I still own it and I want to get it listed. And then this is the living room. This is it, all in one room. And so here we are in the new kitchen. No more white, old, beat up appliances. These are brand new black stainless steel appliances. I put in here custom counters. The floors are real red oak hardwood floors. These countertops are granite. They are amazing. I'm just so thankful for YouTube and what I've been able to do in just 2 short years on YouTube. And I don't know what to say about this. This is just a marked improvement, as you can see from the kitchen I just showed you. And of course, here is the new living room. So much nicer. Again, hardwood floors throughout. That got the flat screen over the fireplace. Got some wall art up. My little attempt at decorating. Got some teal going on. Matches kind of an accent wall I have out there. So this house is 3,500 square feet. The old house was like 800 or 900 square feet. And so if you want to see the full house tour, I have that video on my channel, but I just wanted to make the point that this is what can happen with a little know-how on YouTube. Alright, so let's jump into my computer real quick.